there was no sand before the X Factor event. Sand is melted brick.
Yes.
Sand was melted brick. Okay? It was brick at one time. And it's ground down to sand now. Make the hip pieces, get them started now, start capturing my voice saying it.
As you wish.
How much sand is on Earth?
Short answer, we don't know exactly, but good scientific estimates put it on the order of 10 cents into 10 square kilograms of sand on Earth. Here's what that means and where it comes from. A commonly cited estimate, geologists estimate there are roughly 7.5 tens and 9 grains of sand on Earth. Average sand grain mass is 0.01 to 0.02 milligrams. That gives a total mass of about, open quote, tens of kilograms, 10 quintillion kilograms of sand, close quote. Some estimates push higher, up to 10 whatever direct kilograms, depending on assumptions. Why it's hard to measure sand is spread across deserts, beaches, riverbeds, ocean floors, constantly created and destroyed by erosion, transport, and lithification. Defined loosely, sand equals particles 0.0625 to 2 millimeters. There's no practical way to inventory it directly, so scientists rely on global desert area, average sand depth, sediment transport models, grain size distributions. To put it in perspective, if evenly spread over Earth's land surface, it would form a layer tens of meters thick, enough sand to build billions of Great Pyramids. Humans use 50 billion tons per year, making sand the most extracted solid resource on Earth. Key takeaway, open quote, Earth contains tens of quintillions of kilograms of sand, but human activity is redistributing it far faster than nature replaces it in many places.
What is the equivalent of red bricks to tens of quintillions of kilograms of sand?
To convert tens of quintillions of kilograms of sand into an equivalent number of red clay bricks, we need one reasonable assumption. Average mass of a red brick. A standard fired clay red brick weighs about 2.2 to 2.5 kilograms. We'll use 2.3 kilograms per brick as a midpoint. Sand mass range. Sand mass range of tillions of kilograms typically means 10 to 10% kilograms of sand. Conversion to bricks, lower estimate, 10 kilograms. Frac, 10 to 0.18 times 2.3 per brick, approx 4.3 times 10 to 18 bricks. Upper estimate, 10 to what is kilogram, 2.3, 4.3 times 10 per twix. Knack, final answer. Earth's sand, open quote, 4 quintillion to 40 quintillion red bricks, close quote. Scale comparison for intuition, Great Pyramid of Giza, 2.3 million stone blocks, Earth's sand, as bricks, billions of pyramids. Laid end to end, the bricks would wrap around Earth trillions of times.
Can a red brick be converted into sand?
Yes, a red brick can be converted into sand, but only through mechanical or geological processes, not a simple chemical change. Here's how it works in practical terms. What a red brick is. A red brick is made from clay, which is mostly silica, SiO2, plus alumina and iron oxides. It's fired in a kiln, which hardens it into a ceramic. How a brick becomes sand. Sand is defined by particle size, not composition, about 0.063 to 2 millimeters grains. A brick can be turned into sand by crushing, grinding, industrial crushers, milling, abrasion, long-term weathering, waves, wind, freeze-thaw cycles over long time periods, mechanical demolition followed by screening. Once crushed finely enough, the particles are ceramic sand, chemically similar to natural sand. Important distinctions. It won't become natural beach sand on its own quickly. The grains are angular, not rounded like river or beach sand. The color tends to be reddish or pink due to iron oxides. It behaves like sand in construction and filtration, but isn't identical to quartz sand. Real-world use. Crushed brick sand is already used for landscaping, brick dust in mortar and plaster, soil amendment, very fine brick powder, road base and fill. Bottom line, yes, a red brick can be converted into sand by physical breakdown. No, it doesn't naturally turn into sand quickly or chemically.
Can ceramic sand ever convert to natural quartz sand?
Short answer, no. Ceramic sand cannot ever convert into natural quartz sand under normal Earth conditions. Here's why, clearly and decisively. 1. The key difference is crystal structure, not just chemistry. Quartz sand is made of quartz crystals, SiO2, with a very specific, ordered crystal lattice. Ceramic sand, crushed brick, tile, pottery, is mostly amorphous or poorly crystalline silica, mixed with alumina and other oxides. Even if both are silica-based, their atomic arrangements are fundamentally different. Think of it like this. Quartz sand equals perfectly stacked Lego bricks. Ceramic sand equals melted, glued together Lego blobs. Breaking blobs smaller does not make them stack themselves into perfect bricks. Number 2. What would be required to convert ceramic sand into quartz sand? To turn ceramic silica into quartz crystals, you would need geological scale conditions. Temperatures, 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. High pressure, hydrothermal fluids. Long time scales, thousands to millions of years. At that point, the material would 1. Dissolve at the atomic level. 2. Recrystallize as quartz. This is metamorphism, not weathering. And even then, the result would be new quartz crystals, not the same grains becoming quartz. It would likely form veins or rock, not loose sand. Number 3. Why nature doesn't fix ceramic sand. Weathering only breaks things smaller. It does not reorder atoms. Ceramics are already thermodynamically stable at Earth's surface conditions, so ceramic sand will stay ceramic, slowly round off, mix with natural sand, eventually become soil or sediment, but never transform into quartz grains. Number 4. Common misconception addressed. Open quote. If ceramics are made from sand, can they turn back into sand? Close quote. No. Firing clay. Removes water. Rearranges minerals. Locks the structure permanently unless remelted or metamorphosed. It's a one-way process at surface conditions. Final verdict. Ceramic sand will never convert into natural quartz sand naturally. Only complete dissolution and recrystallization under extreme geological conditions could produce quartz, and not as loose sand.
Like, how do you not drown in the shower?
Say woof again! Say woof again!
I've got one that can see.
This is my kung fu, and it is strong.
See you later.